Turn off these settings before it's too late on iPhone. Sometimes your iPhone might get stolen or something else. In that case, these settings might help you out. So the very first thing you want to do is swipe down the screen from the top right corner of the screen. Once this screen appears, if you are on the lock screen, you simply need to turn off the AirDrop feature. Not only this, try turning off the Wi-Fi as well, and also the Bluetooth. Once it has been turned off, now move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings page of a device, you need to scroll down until you see the option of FaceTime and passcode. Once found, click on it. Enter the passcode of a device. Here you need to scroll down and you'll see the option of Control Center. Turn it off. Also, if the Siri option is toggled on, then you simply need to turn it off. Once you have turned off all of these options, you might be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.